So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on your Cash App. So basically, you just going to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on this application. So first, you have to open your Cash application and sign in using your account. And once you open your transaction or your account, you will going to click on the clock icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, whereas you could see all of your transactions, whether it is on cash out, cash in, paying on other stores like Walmart, buying cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. And for today, we are going to teach you on how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID. So we are going to click or select the Bitcoin transaction, which is right there. And once you clicked on that, you will see this page. Just scroll it down. So you are going to click on the View on Block Explorer located below. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page wherein you could see the transaction number, which is actually look like alphanumeric numbers, that is your transaction ID. So that's how you find your Bitcoin transaction ID on your Cash App.